you've got yourself a one-way ticket to heaven. That sounds like a scam. I don't believe you. I may not know the rules of this world, but like, that sounds too easy. But it doesn't stop there. For the low, low price of $999, you can also get this cute plushie. You know, for 3 hours. Then you gotta give it right back. Anyone who makes it to heaven gets to have any wish granted. Though apparently, I'll only work on the strongest, deepest wish inside your heart. It sounds too good to be true. I can't wait for it to bite us in the ass. In stark contrast to White Poisonette's emotional high, the Oni coolly plucked the stickers from out of her hands. In their place, she handed over one singular golden sticker. Huh? Golden sticker? How beautiful! My lady, that is beside the... hold! Hold, I say! What is the meaning of this? The meaning of what? These are silver stickers, no? 5 silvers equals 1 gold. There's the catch! There's the fucking catch. So, assuming you need 5 gold to actually get to heaven, that means we should have, what, like 20 more we need to collect? For the silver? A passage to the heavenly realm costs 5 golden stickers. No more, no less. Okay, so yeah, we have 20 more of these hells to go through. There was the catch. Not as bad as I thought. What? Is that how it works? Who'd have thunk? So once again, you admit you hadn't the slightest clue. Bitch, we have an excuse! Both of us are amnesiacs and I just got here! You've been at this for 50 years and didn't know?! You have been wasting the past 50 years of your fucking career!